I wanted to show everybody how to make some homemade ice cream, and then we'll have a little activity to go along with it to make sure you guys understand everything. So if you want to make it yourself when you're done, here are the things that you need. 1 quart-sized plastic baggie, 1 gallon-sized plastic baggie, ice, 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 10 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, we're gonna get started. So the ice cream is actually gonna be made in the quart-sized baggie. So I will hold the baggie open. First, you have to pour the cup of milk into the baggie.
Oh, did it spill?
Good.
Yeah.
Now we have to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Is this the same spoon?
Yep. Good. And then we have to do half a teaspoon of vanilla.
So half of this.
Nope, that's 1/4 of a teaspoon. So if that's 1/4, how many of them do we need to make a half?
2.
2. And that's all you need in the quart baggie, so you could seal it up and make sure you have it sealed up really good. Now, in the gallon-sized baggie, you put the ice. As you can see, I have a little less than half of it filled with ice. And then we have to put in 10 tablespoons of salt. So we just made this, so I want to reuse the same salt that we already used.
Oh,
So we're just going to throw that in there.
it's all clumpy. They're gonna think that it should slide.
And then we're just going to pour a little extra in.
You got it.
Okay. Once that's done, you just put the baggie of milk in there, seal it up, and then shake it up. So this is basically what you do. You just have to make sure you just keep shaking it up like this. You have to shake it up for about a good, You have to shake it up for a good about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm sure you don't want to watch my daughter do that for that long. So we're going to stop the video and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so we've been shaking it up for about 5 minutes now. Take it out. And as you can see, we have some nice, delicious vanilla ice cream.